Hello friends, today we are going to have so much fun with circle. Look at these papers. Can you see how many circles we have? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Yes, we have 3 circles. All of them are round and happy. A circle is a shape with no corners and no edges. It goes round and round and round. Now let's look at the first circle. This circle is bright yellow. It has 2 little eyes and a small smile. It looks like a happy face. Do you know what it looks like? It looks like the sun. The sun is round like a circle. The sun gives us light. The sun gives us warmth. The sun helps flowers grow and help us play outside. Can you draw a circle in the air with your finger? Round and round and round. Very good. Now let's look at the second circle. This circle also has a happy face. But look, it has lines all around it. What are those lines? Those are sun rays. The sun has rays that shine in every direction. The rays make the sun look bright and shiny. Can you pretend to be the shine? Stretch your arms wide like sun rays. Shine bright. Amazing. Now let's look at the third circle. Wow, this one is a little different. It is yellow and orange. And it has small triangle shapes all around it. These triangles also look like rays, but they are sharp and pointy. This sun looks warm and glowing. Maybe it is sunset time. When the sun goes down, the sky turns orange and yellow. Have you ever seen a sunset? The sky becomes beautiful with warm colors. Now let's compare our 3 circles. All of them are circle. All of them are round. All of them are smiling. But they are a little different. One is simple and plain. One has long straight rays. One has small triangle rays. That is the fun part of drawing. You can draw the same shape in different ways. Now, let's think. Can you find circle around you? Is your plate a circle? Is a clock a circle? Is a coin a circle? Yes, circles are everywhere. Today we learn about the circle shape. We counted 3 circles. We turned circle into happy suns. And we used yellow and orange colors. You can try this at home too. Take a paper, draw a big round circle, add eyes, and add a smile, add rays, and make your own happy sun. Thank you for drawing with me today. You did such a great job. See you in the next fun drawing video. Bye bye.